Humans use eyes to understand the world around them, but have you ever wondered how robots actually see? Unlike us, robots don't naturally understand shapes, depth, colors, or movement. They need technology and artificial intelligence to make sense of everything around them. Unlike humans, robots don't really see things the way we do. Instead, robots use sensors, cameras, and artificial intelligence to understand their surroundings. And honestly, modern robots are becoming incredibly good at it. From self driving cars to warehouse automation systems, robot vision is everywhere now. So let's break down how robots actually understand the world around them. First, most robots start with cameras. These cameras capture images continuously, almost like taking thousands of photos every second. But for a robot, every single frame is basically raw information that still needs to be processed and understood before the robot can react properly. But capturing images alone isn't enough because robots still need to figure out what exactly they are looking at. That's where computer vision and artificial intelligence come into play. AI helps robots identify objects, understand environments, and make decisions based on what the cameras are seeing in real time. Using AI models, robots can identify objects like boxes, humans, tools, vehicles, and much more. This is exactly how warehouse robots know what to pick, move, or avoid. But robots still face one major challenge. Normal cameras struggle to understand depth. A robot might know there's a box in front of it, but understanding exactly how far away that box is becoming a completely different challenge. Depth means understanding how far an object actually is. And one way robots solve this is using stereo vision. Just like humans use two eyes for depth perception, robot can use two cameras too. This allows robots to generate something called a depth map. Objects closer to the robot appear differently compared to the objects further away. This helps robots move safely without crashing into obstacles. But cameras aren't the only sensors robots use. Many advanced robots also use LiDAR sensors. LiDAR works by sending out laser beams and measuring how long they take to bounce back after hitting surrounding objects. Using this information, robot can build extremely accurate 3D maps of the environment around them. This helps robot create highly accurate 3D maps of their surroundings. That's why self-driving cars rely heavily on LiDAR technology. They need to constantly understand roads, vehicles, humans, and traffic condition in real time. But seeing the world is still only half the problem. Robots also need to decide what to do with all that information. And that's where AI becomes extremely powerful. Modern AI systems allow robots to analyze huge amount of visual information and make surprisingly intelligent decisions in just milliseconds. AI models are trained using huge amount of data. The robot basically learns patterns from millions of examples. So eventually it starts recognizing objects almost instantly. This is how modern robots can navigate complex environments surprisingly well. And honestly, robotics has evolved incredibly fast over the past few years. Today, entire warehouses can run using fleets of autonomous robots, moving packages continuously without human intervention. These systems rely heavily on robot vision to navigate safely and operate efficiently. Even drones now use robot vision systems to fly safely and avoid obstacles. And robotics vision is also becoming important in healthcare, surgery, and medicine. And honestly, we are only at the beginning of what robots might eventually become of. That's exactly why robotics is becoming one of the most exciting industries in the world right now. Industries everywhere are investing heavily into automation, AI, autonomous systems, and intelligent machines. AI, automation, autonomous systems, and robotics are all starting to connect together. And robot vision is one of the biggest reasons this entire future is becoming possible. The more I learn about robotics, the more fascinated I become by where humanity is heading. And the coolest part is, you can actually start learning these technologies yourselves. Tools like OpenCV, AI models, and simulation environments make robotics more accessible than ever before. You can even simulate robots virtually before testing them in real world. That's exactly how many robotics engineers test autonomous systems today. And deep learning is making robot vision smarter every single year. Modern AI systems can now recognize objects in milliseconds, and in the future, humans and intelligent robots will probably work together everywhere. That's also why robotics is becoming an incredibly valuable skill to learn. And honestly, you don't need to be a genius to start exploring this field. You just need curiosity, consistency, and the willingness to keep learning. And that's the one of the biggest reason I started this channel too. I want to simplify robotics and future technologies in a way that feels exciting and easy to understand. And hopefully, we all learn and grow together throughout this journey. So, if there is any robotics topic you want me to explain or demonstrate, let me know in the comments. And if you want tutorials on tools like Gazebo, OpenCV, Computer Vision, ROS 2, or Deep Learning, I can start making practical demonstrations and step by step projects too. Just let me know in the comments what you want to learn next. Because honestly, the future of robotics is going to be absolutely incredible. And this is the only beginning of Project Ascent. We are going to explore robotics, AI, automation, and future technologies